हेलो गाइस, मैं मार्केट से चॉकलेट लाई हूँ डेयरी मिल्क सिल्क पॉपअप हार्ट। ये 275 रुपीज का है। अब चलो इसे खोलते हैं। There is a heart inside it. जैसे कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं टेयर है लिखा है। Let's tear from here.
Okay, now we have opened it up. Let's see what's inside.
Oh, there's a box.
Red colored. Is that a sticker? Let's see.
Inside it is a chocolate.
That's the chocolate. Dairy milk silk with a pop-up heart. Now let's open it further. Okay, now let's open the wrapper.
I'm so excited!
Let's unveil the heart. Yay!
Yay! We got the heart!
Now let's pop the heart. That's the heart. It's supposed to be pop-up heart. So let's try pushing it if it comes out. Wow! Now let's open up. Let's get the heart.
Wow, we got the heart!
So finally, our heart is here. Wow!
It's so
Now let's eat it and see what's the flavor.
Yay!